Hello everyone, welcome again to Wearholic. In today's video, I will discuss the age feature of the Garmin watches. If you don't know, let me tell you that the Garmin watches show your age based on your fitness level. I will tell you what it is, how it is determined and where you can find it, and what you should do if your Garmin Connect is not showing your fitness age. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First question is, what is fitness age? Garmin Fitness Age estimates your age based on your fitness level, which can differ from your actual age. For example, someone in their 50s might have the fitness of a younger person, while others in their 40s may appear older due to a lower fitness level. Garmin calculates this by analyzing your health and fitness data, giving you accurate fitness age. But have you ever wondered how Garmin determines your fitness age? Garmin uses two methods depending on the model of the smartwatch. First is the VO2 Max method. Older Garmin watches use your VO2 Max to determine your fitness age. They compare your VO2 Max to the average for people of the same gender across different ages, and the closest match becomes your fitness age. Second is additional factor method. Newer Garmin models consider more than just VO2 Max. They also include factors like active intensity, resting heart rate, BMI, or body fat percentage to give you a more comprehensive fitness age. If you have liked this video so far, then please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now see how to check your fitness age. For this, open the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone, tap on the More tabs, select Performance Stats. Here, under VO2 Max, your fitness age will be displayed. You can see My Fitness Age on the screen. But sometimes, watch does not show fitness age. Don't worry, this issue may be because it doesn't have enough data to calculate it. You can try 3 things to resolve this issue. First, provide the required data. Enter details like height and weight manually. To calculate VO2 Max, perform activities like running or cycling. This data is needed for Garmin to determine your fitness age. Second, restart your devices. Sync issues between your watch and phone can cause problems. Try disconnecting and restarting both devices. And the last, update your watch and app. Ensure both your Garmin smartwatch and the Garmin Connect app are up to date to avoid any feature malfunctions. After this, you should be able to see your Garmin fitness age. If you want to see more videos like this, then you can tap on the I button to access the complete Garmin guide. This is all about the Garmin fitness age. I hope you got to know everything you need to know. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, then don't forget to subscribe to Wearholic. If you have any questions or queries, drop them in the comments below. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.